Your instructor or host can allow you to share your screen in order for all attendees to see your presentation material. When the meeting host sends a request for you to share your desktop, you will see a notification in the upper right corner of the meeting room window. Click Start to accept the request and open the Start Screen Sharing window. Be sure to close any applications that you do not wish to share. You can select to share just specific windows that you have open, or any applications, or your entire desktop. When you enter the screen sharing mode, the meeting room disappears from your view and is replaced by a mini control window. Other attendees will see your desktop, or application or window, depending on what you selected, within a share pod in the meeting room, so be sure to expand your file to full screen. The mini controller gives you access to available meeting room tools, as well as direct access to the attendee pod and the chat pod. The controller will minimize to take up less room, but just click on any of the icons to expand it again when needed. You can hide the mini controller by clicking here. To show it again, click on the Adobe Connect icon in your taskbar. You can switch to the meeting room view by clicking the expand icon in the top right corner of the mini controller. Attendees will still be seeing your shared screen, so you must have the application you want to share visible to you. To return to screen sharing mode, click Switch to Mini Controller in the upper right corner of the share pod. While you are sharing, other participants see all of your cursor movements and any other actions that you do within the shared application. You can pause screen share at any time and use the markup tools to add notes on top of the shared view. You can then save a snapshot of the markups if you wish to keep them, as they are not saved within your file and they will not be visible when you click Resume to go back to screen sharing mode. When you are finished your presentation, click Stop Sharing in the mini controller to go back to the Adobe Connect meeting room. For technical assistance sharing your screen in Adobe Connect, please call the Contact North helpline Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. at 1-888-850-4628.